Good morning, dear students. Students, as we have done the concept of symmetry lines and also we have done the symmetry lines of alphabets A to Z. Okay. Now today we will do the symmetry lines of different shapes. Okay. Now see how to do these. Okay. Now see, draw and write the number of symmetry line of different shapes. Okay. Now see, rectangle. As you can see, this is the shape of rectangle na. Okay. Rectangle. Beta, see in case of this. This paper is in rectangle in shape. Okay. Now see how many lines of symmetry lines are there. See, if I fold this. बेटा अगर मैं इसको ऐसे फोल्ड करती हूँ, एक आपकी ये बनेगी. This is the number of symmetry line. And also if I fold like this. This is also the line of symmetry. Okay. Because this is exactly. Okay. Overlap this na. Now see. These are two lines of symmetry ना. बेटा अगर मैं इसको यहां से इसको फोल्ड करती हूं तो क्या ये इसको एग्जैक्टली आ रहा है, इस कवर अप हो रहा है इसका? नहीं ना. एंड ऑल्सो इफ आई fold like this, nahi na. So a rectangle has how many number of symmetry lines are there? See, one is this and other is this. So how many symmetry lines are there? That is only 2. Okay. Now in case of square, see in this handkerchief beta. See in case of this, if I fold like this, okay, one, okay, number of symmetry line, that is 1, and if I fold like this, that is 2, okay, and if I fold like this, that is 3. Okay. Now if I fold like this, this fold na, okay, this shape, this divides into two halves na. Okay. So this is square in shape na. So this square, how many lines of symmetry lines are in square? That is 4. That is C, 1. Okay. 2. I can divide it na. Okay. Now third one is this. If I fold like this. Okay. And fourth one is this. Okay. So how many lines of symmetry are there in square? That is 4. Okay. Now see in case of circle. In case of circle, see symmetry lines I can draw here. Okay. I can draw horizontal, vertical. Okay. I can draw from here also. बेटा in case of circle हम कहीं से भी, हम आपको circle आप लोगों ने पढ़ा था ना कि how many diameters are there? So many diameters are there na. So we can draw uncountable. Okay. We can't count. Okay. So we number of symmetry lines are infinite. That is INFINITE. बेटा ये होती है नंबर, इनफाइनाइट होती है जिनको हम काउंट ही नहीं कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ इंफिनिटी. ओके. यू कैन राइट ऑल्सो लाइक दिस. ओके. ओके. इंफिनिटी मीन्स वी कांट काउंट, हम काउंट कर ही नहीं सकते हैं, तो इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? इंफिनिटी. ओके. एंड दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ इंफिनिटी. ओके. नाउ द लास्ट वन इज इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल का मीनिंग क्या है बेटा? इक्विलेटरल मीन्स इक्वल. ओके, इन विच ऑल द लाइन सेगमेंट्स आर इक्वल. बेटा इसमें तीनों के तीनों साइड्स आपकी क्या होती हैं? इक्वल होती हैं. तो उसमें कितनी बनती है नंबर ऑफ लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री? सी 1, दैट इज वर्टिकल. 2, if I draw like this, okay, 2, and if I draw like this, okay, if I draw like this, then also this divide into two parts na, okay, two equal halves na, okay. So how many lines of symmetry are there in equilateral triangle? That is 3. Okay, I hope you have cleared the concept of line of symmetry. Thank you and have a great day.